KOLIYA is a small village. It rests quietly in Attock district. This region is part of Punjab, Pakistan. Many maps might not show its name. It is an unassuming sort of place, one that does not shout for attention. But these quiet places often hold secrets. They whisper stories to those who listen. KOLIYA is one such understated settlement, a dot on a vast ancient landscape. The village is cradled by the Pothohar Plateau. This is a land of rugged natural beauty. Life here moves at a different pace, a rhythm dictated by sun and season. It is a world away from modern haste. A sanctuary of sorts, perhaps unintentional. The Pothohar Plateau surrounds KOLIYA. This is an ancient and eroded land. Its terrain is marked by undulations. You will see many small hills and ravines. Deep gullies carve through the landscape. It is a place of stark, rugged beauty. The earth here tells a long story, a story of time, weather, and endurance. The plateau has a character all its own. It shapes the life that unfolds upon it. The soil of Pothohar can be challenging. Much of the farming is rain-fed. This is known locally as Barani agriculture. Farmers depend heavily on the monsoon, yet life has found a way to persist. Generations have tilled this very soil. The vegetation around KOLIYA is hardy. Trees common to this region thrive here. You will see the sturdy kikar tree. Its thorny branches spread wide. Shisham, or Indian rosewood, may also grow, valued for its timber and shade. Many shrubs are adapted to dry conditions. They survive the hot summers well. This resilient plant life defines the area, a green cover against a harsh climate. Wildflowers and grasses appear seasonally. After the monsoon rains, they bloom, adding delicate touches of color to the otherwise muted landscape tones. These plants support local insect populations. Butterflies and bees are drawn to them. KOLIYA experiences a semi-arid climate. This means the region is generally dry. Summers are known to be very hot. Winters, however, can be pleasantly cool. It is truly a land of contrasts. The weather patterns mark distinct seasons. Each season brings its own character to the landscape and to village life. Understanding this rhythm is key for anyone wishing to visit comfortably. The summer months bring intense heat. May and June are typically the hottest. Daytime temperatures can soar quite high. The sun beats down relentlessly then. People adapt their daily routines accordingly. They work in the cooler early mornings. Section 5. Nature's canvas rivers, fields and forested hills. This section takes us on a journey through some of the most picturesque landscapes you can imagine. From the flowing rivers that carve their way through the land, to the expansive fields that stretch as far as the eye can see, and the forested hills that rise majestically in the background. Each element plays a crucial role in the natural beauty of this region. Near KOLIYA flows the Haru River. This river is not just a body of water, it is a lifeline for the communities that live along its banks. The Haru River is a source of sustenance, providing water for drinking, irrigation, and even for the livestock that graze nearby. Its clear waters are a testament to the purity of the natural environment in this area. It's a significant water source, for this part of the Pothohar region. The river's importance cannot be overstated, as it supports both the agricultural activities and the daily lives of the people here. The locals have a deep connection with the river, often seen gathering along its banks for various activities, from washing clothes to socializing. Its banks can offer scenic spots, places for quiet contemplation perhaps. Imagine sitting on a rock or a bench, listening to the gentle flow of the water, surrounded by the sounds of nature. It's a perfect setting for meditation or simply to unwind and reflect. Villagers might use its waters for irrigation or for their livestock. The river's water is essential for growing crops, which in turn supports the local economy. The sight of livestock drinking from the river is a common one, highlighting the interdependence between the natural world and human activities. Rivers are life-givers in dry lands, and the Haru is no exception here. In regions where rainfall is scarce, the river becomes even more crucial. It brings life to otherwise arid landscapes, allowing vegetation to thrive along its banks and creating a green corridor in the midst of dryness. Its presence shapes the local ecology. The river supports a diverse range of flora and fauna, creating a unique ecosystem. Fish, birds, and other wildlife depend on the river for their survival, and the vegetation along its banks provides habitat and food for many species. The local farmlands are an attraction too. These fields are not just about agriculture, they are a testament to the hard work and dedication of the local farmers. The sight of neatly arranged crops swaying in the breeze is a beautiful one, and it speaks volumes about the harmony between humans and nature. They're not just for growing crops. These farmlands are open spaces where you can witness the changing seasons and the cycles of nature. From planting to harvesting, each stage of cultivation is a reminder of the passage of time and the rhythms of the earth. These cultivated areas offer open spaces and a glimpse into rural life. Watching farmers at work tending to their crops gives you an appreciation for the effort that goes into producing the food we eat. It's a connection to the land and to the people who work it. Walking along the edges of fields can be peaceful. The tranquility of the rural landscape with its open spaces and natural beauty provides a perfect setting for a leisurely walk. It's a chance to slow down, breathe in the fresh air and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. You can observe farmers at their work, see the changing patterns of cultivation. The fields are a living canvas, constantly changing with the seasons. Watching the farmers at work, you can see the dedication and skill that goes into each stage of cultivation, from planting to harvesting. The fields connect you to the land and to the people who tend it. There's something deeply satisfying about seeing the fruits of hard work and dedication. The connection between the land and the people who work it is a powerful one, and it's evident in every aspect of rural life. A simple yet profound experience. The beauty of the rural landscape lies in its simplicity. It's a reminder of the essential things in life, the things that truly matter. The connection to nature, the sense of community, and the satisfaction of a job well done. Not far from KOLIYA lies KOLIYA National Park. This park is a haven for nature lovers, offering a diverse range of flora and fauna. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the natural world and experience the beauty of untouched landscapes. This park is an important natural area. The forested hills and diverse wildlife make it a unique destination. Whether you're a bird watcher, a hiker, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of nature, KOLIYA National Park has something to offer. It's a place where you can reconnect with the natural world and find peace and tranquility. Section 6 echoes of bygone eras, KOLIYA's historical threads. The Pothohar region has ancient human roots. Civilizations flourished near here long ago. The Indus Valley sites are not too distant. KOLIYA therefore sits on very old land. Layers of history are embedded in its soil, even if no grand ruins are visible. The past resonates in subtle ways. A sense of deep time pervades. The land itself is a historical document, written by millennia of existence. Mughal influence once extended across Punjab. Attock, the district headquarters, was strategic. It guarded important routes to the northwest. Old roads and pathways cross this region. Echoes of the Mughal era might remain, perhaps in local architectural styles. Section 7. Life in contemporary KOLIYA, community and connections. Daily life in KOLIYA follows simple rhythms. The village is a place where time seems to slow down, allowing its residents to enjoy the small moments that make up their day-to-day lives. These rhythms are often tied to agriculture. Farming is not just an occupation here, it is a way of life that has been passed down through generations and the changing cycle of the seasons. Each season brings its own set of tasks and celebrations, marking the passage of time in a tangible way. There is a strong sense of community. The villagers often gather for meetings to discuss local issues, and the market is a bustling hub of social interaction. People generally know each other well. This familiarity fosters a sense of trust and mutual respect among the residents. Neighbors support one another in times of need. Whether it's helping with a harvest or providing emotional support, the community comes together to lift each other up. This closeness is a feature of village life. Children grow up together, forming lifelong friendships, and families often socialize in communal areas. It provides a social safety net. Community gatherings and events are common, offering opportunities for everyone to come together and share a meal or celebrate a festival, and a feeling of belonging for residents. This sense of belonging is crucial for the well-being of the villagers, giving them a sense of identity and purpose. Life is shared in this small place. From daily chores to special occasions, the villagers experience life together, creating a strong bond among them. Local amenities cater to basic needs. The village shop is a vital part of the community, providing essential items and serving as a social gathering point. There might be a small village shop selling essential, everyday items. The shopkeeper often knows the customers by name, adding a personal touch to the shopping experience. A local primary school serves the children. Education is highly valued, and the school provides a foundation for the children's future, providing them with foundational education. The teachers are often members of the community, further strengthening the bond between the school and the village. Access to more advanced healthcare may be nearby. While the village may have a small clinic for basic health needs, more specialized medical services are accessible in nearby towns. Section 8. Journeying to KOLIYA, a traveler's companion. Reaching KOLIYA requires some planning. It is accessible from major cities like Rawalpindi and Islamabad. These cities have airports and train stations. From there one can travel by road. Public transport, like buses or vans, may go nearby. Hiring a private car offers more flexibility. The journey itself reveals the Pothohar landscape, a slow immersion into rural Punjab. Check local advice for the best routes. Accommodation options in KOLIYA are likely basic. Formal guest houses or hotels are rare in such small traditional villages. A homestay might be possible if arranged. This offers a deeper cultural experience. Alternatively, visitors can stay in Attock. Section 9. The soul of KOLIYA, where beauty and warmth reside. KOLIYA's allure is subtle but deep. It is a place where the essence of life is captured in the simplest of moments. The village is a canvas painted with the hues of everyday life, where each scene tells a story of its own. It lies in its quiet, unassuming beauty. The streets are calm, the landscape serene, and the beauty is simple yet profound. Every corner of KOLIYA whispers tales of tranquility and peace. The natural charm of the Pothohar landscape is ever present. The rolling hills and the expansive fields create a picturesque setting that is both breathtaking and humbling. With its rolling hills and fertile fields, KOLIYA is a testament to the beauty of nature. The land is rich and bountiful, providing sustenance and life to the village and its people. This is not a place of instant spectacle. There are no grand monuments or bustling attractions. Instead, KOLIYA offers a different kind of beauty, one that reveals itself slowly and surely. Rather, it is a village that grows on you. The more time you spend here, the more you begin to appreciate its unique charm and character. Slowly, surely, revealing its character. The village unfolds its beauty to those who take the time to see, to those who are willing to look beyond the surface. To those who take the time to see, KOLIYA offers a glimpse into a way of life that is both simple and profound. It is a place where the pace of life is slow, allowing you to truly savor each moment. Its appeal is in its authenticity. KOLIYA is a genuine slice of rural Punjabi life, where traditions are honored and the past is ever present. A genuine slice of rural Punjabi life. The daily routines, the simple pleasures and the strong sense of community all contribute to the village's unique charm. The richness of KOLIYA is found in simplicity. It is in the quiet moments, the peaceful scenes, and the unspoken connections between the villagers. You will not find grand monuments here, nor bustling tourist attractions. Instead, you will find a village that is rich in history and culture, where every detail tells a story. Instead, its charm lies in subtle details, the small everyday moments that make up the fabric of life in KOLIYA. The kindness in a stranger's smile, the warmth of a shared cup of tea, the simple, heartfelt interactions that make you feel at home, the patterns of light on an old wall, the way the sunlight dances on the rustic surfaces, creating a tapestry of light and shadow that is both beautiful and fleeting.